Ciao a tutti! This is Nonna's Italian Kitchen, and we're going to be making pesto pasta salad today. So let's get your ingredients out. Starting with pasta, the best ones for the salad are either bow ties, fusilli, or penne. You're going to need some freshly grated Parmigiano, hopefully some homemade basil pesto, but if you need to buy it, that's fine. Cherry tomatoes, mozzarella balls, pine nuts, sun-dried tomatoes, and red pepper flakes, plus mayonnaise. What mayonnaise does, it creates a more creamy, rich, and mellow sauce when you add it to basil pesto. It softens the bold, concentrated flavor of traditional pesto, and it just gives it more of a velvety texture. Now bring a tall pot of water to a rolling boil, and then you want to add a good amount of salt to the boiling water. Now add your pasta and cook it until it's al dente. Then pour your pasta into a good mixing bowl. Now don't rinse your pasta. You want to use a little bit of that water. In the meantime, how are you all doing today? Leave a comment and let me know. Do you have any questions? Again, leave a comment and I'll answer any question that you have. Okay, take about 1 cup of your basil pesto and gently mix it in. You don't want to break up your pasta. And this farfalle pasta shape is really great for this. It holds a lot of sauce in those little indentations of the bow ties. Now, if you think you want some more pesto, go ahead and add it. Some people like more pesto and some people like a little less. It's up to you. Remember to gently mix. You don't want your pasta to break. Continue to blend carefully. Now, add that 1 cup of mayonnaise, and you're just not going to believe what this addition does to this. It just makes it just more velvety, creamy, and much less of a powerful basil flavor. It definitely tones it down, and it makes it just superior tasting. Now add your mozzarella balls. You can also use feta. You can also use goat cheese. Any other soft cheese can be added, whatever is your preference. It's coming together nicely, don't you think? And if you want more cheese like my family does, go ahead and add it, because remember, this is your salad. And you want to make it how everybody else will be happy in your family. Now sprinkle on the pine nuts. You can also use slivered almonds, hazelnuts, or pistachios. Sprinkle on a little bit of red pepper flakes. Add the sun-dried tomatoes and a little more if you want. Now add the cherry tomatoes that you cut in half. Again, if you want more cherry tomatoes, that's a good thing. Just go ahead and add it. Gently mix everything together. Gently, gently. You don't want to break up this pasta. Add 1 tablespoon of good balsamic vinegar. It just adds 1 more layer of flavor to this. Not a lot. You don't need a lot of balsamic, just a little bit. And then gently mix everything together again. And now add 3/4 cup of grated Parmigiana. Make sure it's freshly grated. Gently mix everything together again. If you want, you could even add green or black olives. Sprinkle on the amount of salt and pepper to your taste preferences. Blend it well, and then you're finished. Garnish it with some beautiful basil leaves. Serve it up and enjoy. You can also garnish each serving with some small basil leaves as well. Buon appetito! I hope that you'll click and subscribe and ring that bell. I'd love to have you as part of our community. This has been Nonna's Italian Kitchen. Until the next time, ciao ciao.